for the pump, we have the gasket. Always the worst. Try to line up those little splines in there. It's always a fun adventure. There we go. On the pump we're using 12.38 1-inch bolts. Inch 3/8. Underneath this cap, you will find this screen in there. This is very important to keep this very clean, not clogged with trash or anything. This is a new one that we installed. You got to make sure these are clean. I also could get burnt up bearings and other major problems throughout your gear. Do it safe. Drop them right on there. And always remember to check your O-rings on your cap screws.